Hey y'all, so what we're gonna do is this a unboxing of this Rush charger. Carrie and I saw this phone charger, um, in an infomercial literally months ago, and I'm just now getting around to unboxing mine. She bought one and I bought one, and I think she likes hers, but like I said, I never got around to opening this thing. So that's what we're gonna do here in just a second. If I can get the thing open, all right. So there's that. Oh, by the way, that flickering light is I've got a bad light in my kitchen in my apartment here, so just kind of bear with me for a few minutes here. All right, so what it is, as you can hopefully see there, it's got a thing where you can charge your iPhone. It's got a Type C, USB C charging port, I guess you call it, and I'm not sure what that barcode thing is about. And then it says micro USB. So, all right, let's do this thing. Okay, so the inside of the box says open protect. Oh, it just tells you how to do this thing. It says open protective cap, plug into phone, recharge for future US. Oh, recharge for future use and charge simultaneously. So, but wait, there's more. Wow, they made that sound real exciting, didn't they? Yeah, right. And the back of this thing says reminders. When using for the first time, hello. When using for first time use, charge at least charge at least 1 to 3 hours. And then it says a bunch of other stuff about charging. Whatever. Wish I had a second camera or, phone to do this with. Well, gotta cut off the little protective doohickey here. Doohickey is a technical term, right? Right. Okay, so yeah, it's got a little lightning thing for iPhones that have the lightning connector thing with bobber. And there's a little, it's an Android outfit there for charging Android phones, which I'm not a big fan of, but that's a whole nother story. I guess that's another Android charger. Whoever made this was a fan of, oops, sorry for the earthquake. That was me shaking the table. There it goes. Just kidding. Anyway. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Yeah. Actually, hold that thought. We're going to come back in just a minute, and we'll finish this thing up, and I'll do a little review of how this thing works. All right, so I borrowed Carrie's phone for this demo part of this thing, And her phone uses a what's it called?
USB-C.
USB-C. That's right. She's been shy today. She's in the other room here.
No, she's taking a nap.
Oh, she's taking a nap. Okay. I knew it was one of the two. Let me see if I can do this thing. I'm not used to this. Oh, shit. You're going to make me screw up this table.
Don't put it there.
What? Yeah, so so it's not to screw up the table. All right, so, I was trying to say your name and it came out Ari instead of Carrie. Sorry about that. All right, so.
I kind of like it.
Ari Carrie.
Instead of Carrie. Or
Scary
Carrie.
Huh?
Or Scary Carrie.
Not going there, but
I knew it.
What? Okay.
I scare people.
No, you don't. Not like all the time. Just. All right. So this is gonna be difficult. So, how do you do, son of a?
Y'all want me to teach y'all how to do this?
Oh, okay, I got it.
Okay.
All right, so we connected it I did, to the USB-C. Yeah, USB-C. I can get my B's and C's and US's and God bless the USA. Amen. All right, we got this thing hooked in. So let's see. I think we got it hooked in. How do you tell if it's charging or not?
You gotta look at my phone.
I'm looking at your phone. Okay, it's not connecting just yet, but we'll get her.
Is it dead?
What, the machine?
Charger?
Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't think of that. Very well could be. Hang on. Bam. By the way, that's our cat. This is my cat, your cat, our cat. Abby on the picture here. Oh, by the way, if you're looking for a good book to help you cut down on your social media, oddly enough, on YouTube, 40-day, what's it called? The 40-day social media fast. All right. Anyway, there's a plug for that book. So, okay, it works. There's your demo.
But you have to do the book right if you're going to do it.
Like, one chapter a day? Yeah, if you're going to do this book, like Carrie says, you got to do it right. You got to do it one chapter a day. So, anyway, that's kind of off topic. But anyway, this was a review. Well, not really a review because we ain't said much about if it works or not, if we liked it or not. But we showed you how it works.
I like it. I've used it. It's good.
Carrie, I don't know if y'all heard that, but Carrie likes it and it's good and all that jazz.
Fits in my purse perfect.
Fits in your purse perfectly. That's hard to say. Of course, I'm not used to saying that phrase, but there's that. All right. So if you like this video, this crazy video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And what else? Oh, hit the notification bell. And she's yawning, but that ain't got nothing to do with it. All right, y'all have a good day, night, or whenever you see this, and hit the thumbs up. And got a long thumbnail I got to work on. Speaking of thumbnails, I got to figure out what the thumbnail is going to be on this thing. But anyway, peace out.